So, hello friends. Today I am going to show you very interesting tips and tricks about Windows. Windows 10 they update every time some new things, some new functions in Windows 10, and because they make our work easier, and you should know all these tips and tricks so you can finish your work, your task fast. Okay guys, so let's start now. The first step in Windows, sometimes you are working on different windows like in Word, in Excel, in PowerPoint, in Photoshop. So you suppose this is our Excel sheet. I open this sheet, and now also I am working on Microsoft Word because I have to see something from here and type there. Means suppose some numbers or some names I can copy or cut, but means on the same time I can see both windows, whatever windows I am working. So how I show you? Now you see this is Microsoft Excel, and this is one software Filmora, and there is Microsoft Word also. So now I come on window Microsoft Excel, and I press Windows button plus arrow. So now you can see now my Excel and Word both files are open. If I press Windows plus up arrow or down arrow or whatever arrow means, so you will see the difference. Like now this time I press down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow. So this can make your work easier. So guys, if you like this tip, so please like this video. So guys, tip number 2. If you are writing something on Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint, or any Microsoft Office, so Microsoft and the Windows 10, they update something in their applications. If you are writing something, some letter or application, and you want to use some emojis, yes, emojis. So if you want to use it, so no need to install any of the software, any of the application. Just what you have to do, you will press shift button plus full stop, and when you will press this, so the emojis will be appear, and you can use any of the emoji in your document. And not only here, not only Microsoft Office, even on Google, if you are pressing this Windows button plus dot full stop, so the emojis will be appear, and you can use any emoji or whatever you want to insert. And also you can find the earth of this any emoji, what is the mean of this emojis. So this is also very interesting tip. Guys, sometimes you are working on your project or you are making a presentation and you need to copy something from somewhere and paste in your project. So you go there in the, suppose in Wikipedia, you copy from here and then you paste, and after that you have to go somewhere else, you copy from here and then paste. So every time you go there and copy, on different website or different pages you go and copy. But what will happen if you copy one time from different pages and different websites and copy all the text what you copied from different places at one time? You will paste in your Microsoft Word. Yes. So what have we have to do? I remove this. Suppose I copy this text from here, okay, and this line from here. Now suppose I have to go somewhere else, Linux. I copied this line, I copied this line. So now I copied different lines from different pages or from different websites also you can do. Now you come to Microsoft Word and just you will press Windows button plus V. Windows button, you will hold the window button and press V. So you can see now all the text what you copied, it will be appear, and you can copy all the text. Again, whatever text you copied, all the whole text you can paste at once. So this is very useful techniques, and it will make your work fast. So you can use this. So you can paste, you can press Windows button and V, and whatever line you want to paste it in which place you can put it. So how's the tick? So in the last, you have to comments me and you tell me which tricks you like most. Guys, this is my desktop, and if you want to create, suppose you have too many folders and too many files on this desktop, so and you are working on Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel or any of the application, and you want neat and clean new desktop, so only that files you want to find there. So what will you do? You will press Windows, you will hold the Windows button and tap and click on new desktop. So when you will click on new desktop, so you will see there is new desktop, just click on it and that new desktop will be appear, and here you can save, you can do whatever you want. Means this desktop is totally different with another one. It doesn't mean your old desktop will be lost. Just you will press again shift and tap and you can open whatever desktop you want. So this is also amazing tip about the Windows. Okay guys, so we come on next tip. So one more thing I show you now, just you are holding the shift button and tap. So you create the new desktop, and in this desktop, suppose I create one folder like this. I just created the new folder, or you can save your file, because in this desktop there is nothing now. And if you want to see your old desktop, so you can again press the shift button and tap and you can go there, or the easiest way, you just press shift control and the arrow, so it will show you all the desktop one by one. If you have 3 or 4 or 5 desktop, it will show you. So right arrow or left arrow, you will hold the shift button and you will hold the control button also. Shift and control, you will hold it and just press the arrow, so it will show you the old and new desktop. Or if you want to see the desktop, all the desktop, so you can press the same, hold the shift button and tap and you can see 10 of your desktop. Suppose I open this desktop, and in this desktop I want to use suppose some other software like Microsoft Access. You can use in this desktop. So now if you hold the shift button, control button, and hold the arrow key, so you can see now this is the all the desktop. In this desktop you are working on Access. This only just the desktop. This in this desktop you are working in Microsoft Word. And if you want to remove the desktop, so just you can click here and the desktop will be removed. One more interesting thing in this, you press the shift and tab and you click on new desktop. Suppose you make 2 or 3 new desktop, and if you want to remove all the desktops, only you have to keep the original one. So what you will do, you will press the shift, you will hold the shift and control and press F4. So one by one all the desktop will be removed, and now only the original desktop will be here. Shift, control and F4. So all the desktop will be deleted and only the original one will be stayed. Okay guys, the next step is very important for everyone who use computer, laptop or desktop. We have some files what we doesn't use, and we don't know we have these files in our computer, and if we remove it or if we delete it, so our computer speed can be fast. So let's see how we can do it. Just on the desktop you will right click and go to display setting. Here you will go to storage, and there is one option. The storage sense can automatically freeze up space by getting rid of files you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bin. So guys, you see you have many files here. You can see how much GB it's taking. Like this temporary file, if you click on this temporary file, so this temporary file, no need for this, and it's taking your space like 23.6 GB. This is too much, so you can remove this file, and it will not affect on your Windows. Guys, if you click this on, so click on configure storage sense. So now here you can see run storage sense. Now it will run every day or every week or every month, and it will storage sense run when disk space is low. We clean up enough space to help your system run it best. Okay, so these temporary files, suppose delete file in my recycle bin, so after 30 days the recycle bin files can be removed, or 60 days, or you can choose any option never, because recycle bin means you are not using that file and you want to throw from the computer. But when you delete some file from the computer, it go to recycle bin, but it takes space in your computer. But if you delete that files like after 1 day or after 14 days or whatever, so you can run your computer fast. Delete files in my download folders, they haven't opened for more than. So if you want to delete that files downloads, so also your computer can run fast. So again, when you come on storage and you see like you want to remove the temporary files, you click on temporary file, and there all the temporary files that it will show. And like this recycle bin, if you click on it, so the recycle bin contain files you deleted from your computer. These files are the permanent remove. These files are not permanently removed until you empty the recycle bin. So like this, it's temporary files, Windows error, or whatever files you want to remove. So this is also the interesting tip and very important tip about your Windows. Again, I am saying you have to uh, give me feedback which tip you like most. Guys, the next step for the video editing, if you want to make the small video editing, or if you are a YouTuber, just you have to create a video and upload on YouTube, or for any purpose, for your project or assignment or for your presentation you want to make the video. So no need to install any of the software, any of the editing software from anywhere. Windows 10 has their own video editor. Now just you have to search video editor. You can see here, this is video editor, and you will click it. This is very simple interface. Now you will click on new video project. Suppose I give the name here test. Okay, I can add the videos from the PC or from my collection or whatever from the web. Now suppose I take any of the video. Suppose I take this video. Just you have to drag this video here, and you will find here different options. Like you can change the duration, you can use the motions, you can use the 3D effects, or you can trim also your video. Like suppose this I am playing this video, you will right click so you can see also the options, duration, remove this video, or whatever you want. So if I go to motion, so you can see, you will find there are different motion style. You can zoom in, zoom out, or and after that click on done. Then 3D effects, you can use it. 3D effects like and these all 3D effects and text or whatever you want, it will appear when you will run your movie. Volume, if I want to raise the volume, I click on done. Then I can use the filters also, which type of color I need it. So after also I make done, and like this, add title, you can add the title here whatever you want. Means about the presentation, suppose you are working in a group presentation, so you can use the add title, and how many add titles, like if you are making a small movie, so you can create it. So all these things you can see. After that you will click on finish video. So now next step. So guys, the next step is also very interesting and useful. Sometimes you want to take the snapshot for some particular area. Usually you use print screen, but from the print screen you take the print screen, and after that you go, you open it, you crop it, and it's a long process. So if you want to take a snapshot only just for the particular area, and in rectangular shape, in curve shape, or whatever shape, so you can take it. Windows 10 update this option, and now I tell you how we do it. So what you have to do, you have to just hold the shift button, hold the Windows button, and press S. Hold the shift, Windows, and press S. So this options will be appear. Now which shape you want to take the snapshot, suppose in rectangular form, I select this, and which part of the image or video or whatever, which area you want to take the snapshot, you can take it. Again, Windows button and shift button, you will hold these two buttons and press S. This you will see here, you can select which shape you want to take it. I choose rectangle. When I will select this one, and when I will leave it, it will be save automatically. You want to see it, so again you will press Windows, you will hold the window button and press V. So you can see now this all snapshot has been saved and you can paste wherever you want. So this is also a very useful trick for Windows. Okay guys, the next step, I'm sure you will like this tip. If you work too much on the computer and uh, all the times you take classes and you make your assignment projects or play games or whatever, if you are using too much, so in Windows in 10 there is a feature you can change your light, because this light it's directly effect on your eyes. So this is very easy, just you will go to Windows and you will write here night, click on night light, and screen blue light which can keep you up at night. Night light displays warmer color to help you sleep. Okay, so you can click on turn on. So you can see now it changed the light. Now this light is dark, and if you will you use too much computer, so it affect on your eyes. So it's better you turn on and it will change the lights, and this light will not affect uh, like that one. So if you want to keep it open, you can open it, or you can make it dim, you can make it dark, whatever you want. Okay, or you can schedule, this means in which time you will click on schedule, and you can set the hours like 9 p.m 10 p.m or whatever you want. So this is also very good technique and I use too much. So this I make it on. Okay, so guys, this step is also very useful and very important. You see here in the taskbar we have different applications, like this is Minecraft, this is folder, I close this folder, and also if I have in the taskbar like in one Microsoft Excel, Word, or and I want to open without going anywhere, MS Excel or MS Word or any of the numbers, so I can use the sequence. Suppose this is for the folder, so I have to open the folder. Just I will on which number one, number one Minecraft, number two folder. So I will hold the shift button and number two. This I open the folder because this is on number two. Now if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now number 5, Google Chrome. So I will hold the shift button and number 5. So you can see it's I open the Google Chrome. So this is also very interesting tip, and you can use to make your work fast. Now what tip I am going to give you, this can be very useful. Sometimes if you have some friends who have problem, means suppose the sound is not working, or in Microsoft Excel he is facing the problem, or any of the problem he is facing, and you are trying to um, explain him on mobile, but he is confused. So there is one very good thing in Windows 10. Just you will go to search and you will write steps recorder. So this is the small application for recording the desktop. Yes, you will click on start record, and now whatever you are doing on your desktop, it will save, it will record. Like I am going here, I am showing this, I go to display setting, I click on sound, I click on troubleshoot. So whatever I am doing and whatever problem he's facing and you want to explain him, you can record and just stop. So that file will be saved and you can send that file to your friend by WhatsApp or with any social media. So whatever you make the steps to explain something, it will record and it will show, like in step 1 what you did. User left click, the first user left click, and after that uh, the previous next, like user left click, display setting, menu item, whatever I did it, all the steps it will save. And after that there is the save button. You can click on save. It will save in zip file. You can save it anywhere and you can send to your friend or colleague. So this is also very interesting tips and techniques. So now I close this. No, I don't want to. Okay guys, so the last step is very cool and it also very useful while you are working. So what you have to do, when you press shift and plus sign in your numerical, hold the shift button and press shift, so it will show you the magnifier window. And as you know, magnifier window, you can see the small text. You can make it increase the size and you can read this. And not only this, there is a zoom in and zoom out, that you know it, like this. And there is the play button, play and pause, control alt or enter, or you
To
can
get missing image descriptions, open the
see.
context menu, Live CD from Wikipedia, the free encyclopedia, redirected from Live CD. Jump to navigation,
So when you will play this, so it
cannot
will
read from here.
it
Play/pause. Play/pause. Play/pause.
so it will read all the text what you are zooming and you want to see. So when I click on play,
Play/pause.
you can hold the control alt and enter, or you can click on the play button.
Live operating system is a complete bootable computer installation including operating system which runs directly from a CD-ROM or similar storage device into a
So you can see now I make it small. One more thing, here in magnifier you go to setting and here you can see there are different accents. Like you can see this Microsoft David, English United States, this. So in different ways, even speed you can increase or you can decrease the speed. Okay guys, so I think today till here I will stop, and you have to write me in the comment box which trick or which tip you like most. And if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.